My name is SUMITRAJ and recently I completed my bachelor's in computer science. I passed out 2025 in the month of June, and after completing my bachelor's I came here to join JSPIDERS at the month of June. And after joining the JSPIDERS, they will guide me if anything like whatever you study and anything they will guide you. They will train you like you have to crack any interview. They will train. I would also like to special thanks to our faculty members like Salman sir, Siraj sir, Rajsekhar sir, Harshita ma'am. They will build your concept in such a way you are able to crack any interview like that. They will build your confidence in such a way. So I joined yesterday. Before yesterday, I just got placed at a package of 3 LPA as a software trainee. So I special thanks to all the JSPIDERS faculties and JSPIDERS members. So thank you.